Ooh-ha, welcome to my channel. I have a pouch right here. It's for little EDC. I don't have anything little to put in this little thing. I wasn't expecting it to be this little. And I got this one. This one is going to be for my battery charger cords that I don't have to take everything with me. I got two pockets right here, and they're mashed. You can see in the inside of them. And then over here you got two other more pockets, and then you got a zipper pocket right here to put your cell phone in, and then you got this pocket to put your battery charger in, and then you got this zipped up pocket for all your little knickknacks and stuff. So there is that one, and it's got this that you can hold it with. I wanted to get that knocked out of the way right quick, but this one is the one that was $5 off of Temu. So it's pretty small. You got your Velcro to put your patches, whatever you want there. You got a pocket here, you got a pocket there, then you turn this around and you got a pocket here and a pocket there. And then you unzip it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. You got 3 elastic loops right here. So I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna put my little flashlight in there like that, and then I'm gonna put my little Classy right there, and then I'm gonna put this in this pocket right here. Never know when the scissors is gonna come in handy. And then this last pocket, I'm gonna put that in there. And still I got this pocket and that pocket, and it zips up good.